all the business people here, listen up, okay? If you have a physical business, a retail location, or you are doing some service that you want more sales coming to you, okay? Please use social media. I don't know what social media you can use. You can use Facebook or Instagram. But the easiest for people to search you at this moment is two only. One is YouTube and one is TikTok. Okay? But YouTube is very angmo. Instagram also is very angmo. Okay? But TikTok is very localized to your area, to your country. Okay? So that is why, okay, if you are like, let's say Awong is in Pahang. Okay, so he actually, a lot of these Pahang people actually can see his store if he tags location. Okay, so, and it's also very easy to go viral. In fact, I have a lot of my students, okay, that suddenly their walk-in increased because they did live, they did a lot of videos, and people recognize them and increase their walk-in visits to their store. So, and then actually it's very good thing, you know, because